Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Disco Videos, Effects and Music app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Disco Videos, Effects and Music is a creative video editing app designed to help users make energetic, music-synced clips with vibrant effects and rhythmic visuals. It offers beat sync technology that automatically matches transitions and animations to the music, along with disco-style filters, glowing text effects, motion transitions, and ready-made templates. The app is mainly used for creating dance edits, party clips, and short social media videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. The app's main feature is its beat sync engine. When you add music, the app automatically aligns visual effects to the rhythm, helping beginners create professional-looking edits without complex manual adjustments. You can also choose from themed templates, add motion graphics, apply neon and sparkle effects, and export videos in HD for sharing. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy-to-use interface, fast rendering, and vibrant effect library, especially for energetic or dance-style edits. The music templates help users create rhythm-matched videos quickly, and the app performs well for short creative content. However, there are some drawbacks. Many advanced effects, templates, and music options are locked behind a subscription. Some users also report limitations in manual editing control, meaning you can't adjust clips as precisely as you would in a full professional editor. Additionally, while the app excels at party-style, beat-sync visuals, it isn't designed for long-form edits or detailed timeline work. In summary, the Disco Videos app may be worth using if you want quick, stylish, music-driven video edits with minimal effort and lots of ready-made templates. However, if you prefer full professional video editing control or don't want to rely on subscription-locked features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.